Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Through this video, we will continue our journey of learning basic vocabulary in the Kashmiri language. However, if you have not checked out our earlier videos that have been published already, do consider checking them out by following the link under the description of this video. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me when I speak the Kashmiri words that are highlighted in red color in the slide. Let's get started. Pan, pan, body or beetle. Palm, palm, reproach, blame or taunt. Palmal, palmal, trampled or devastated. Pagal, pagal, mad. Pan galun, pan galun, to work hard or to crush. Here you should remember that two words are coming together to form a composite word, which is pan and galun. Pan marun, pan marun, to make hue and cry or a noise. Here also we have two words coming together to form a composite word. Poin or ab. Poin or ab is water. Panas, panas, himself. Panas panas, panas panas, respective, personal, or individual. Pandan, pandan, Betel-box. Let's review all these words together. Pan, palm, pamal, pagal, pan galun, pan marun, poin, ab, panas, panas panas, pan dan. That was it in this lesson. See you in the next one. Bye bye.